In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Duolingo. Before we jump in, here's the key thing to know. Duolingo is designed for learning, not for direct messaging. That means you won't find a built-in chat box to freely message other users like you would in a typical social app. But you can still connect with friends, invite them to learn with you, and then continue the conversation using your phone's regular messaging or sharing options. Here's how to set that up smoothly. Start by opening Duolingo on your phone or in your browser. From the home screen, look for your avatar icon. On mobile, it's usually along the bottom. Tap it to open your profile area. This is where your social and account features live. Next, tap Add Friends. This is your hub for growing your learning circle. If you already know who you want to connect with, use the search bar to look them up by their display name or username. If they don't appear or you're inviting someone new to Duolingo, choose Invite Friends. When you tap Invite Friends, you'll see options to share an invitation link. The simplest choice is text message. Pick that and your messaging app opens with a pre-filled link to your Duolingo profile or invite. Add a short note, hit send, and you've not only invited them, you've also started a conversation in a place where both of you already chat. If you prefer another app, tap More Options. This opens your device's share menu where you might see choices like Strava, Quick Share, or your browser, such as Chrome. Select the platform where you and your friend are most active. For example, choose Strava if that's where your group hangs out, or use Quick Share to send it directly to a nearby device. If you pick your browser, you can copy the invite link and paste it anywhere: email, group chats, or your community platform of choice. The idea is simple. Duolingo provides the link, and you take the conversation to the app that works best for you. Once your friend accepts, they'll appear on your friends list. While you still won't be chatting inside Duolingo, being connected makes it easy to cheer each other on, compare progress, and keep the momentum going through the messaging app you use to share the invite. If you don't see the avatar button or share options, update the app and check your device permissions so Duolingo can open the system share menu. And if search doesn't find your friend, ask them to send you their invite link so you can connect. That's all you need to get chatting around your Duolingo learning. You're set.